Hi guys, so we are going to go ahead and we are going to make a graph in Google Sheets. And so to make a graph in Google Sheets, we are going to go ahead and we're going to open a new tab on our window. And I'm going to do this so that I have two screens showing. So I have a screen showing here. I'm going to have that kind of go in half of my screen. And then I'll scroll over so I can see the data. And I'm going to have this in the other half. Maybe. Here we go. Okay, so now I have it so that I see one of my screens here or one of my tabs here, and I have one of my tabs here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click right here on the Google Apps, and I'm going to find Google Sheets, and I'm going to click that. In Google Sheets, I'm going to go ahead and click on blank. And that's going to open a new blank one for me. Okay, and so let's just title this for our purposes. And so this is our thinking scientifically. And we're going to title it that. Okay, and then I'm going to copy in Miguel's data. So I'm going to just basically copy this table here. So I'm going to copy color of car. And then I'm going to put in not the inside temperature, all of those different temperatures, because that would almost be like too much, right? We just want to graph the average of the data. So I'm going to put in average temp, and that's in degrees Celsius. Okay, and we have our color of car. So then I'm just going to put in the information. So we have the white. We have, let's make sure we call that white, not while. We have silver, and we have black. And then we're going to go ahead and put that information that we have here. So we're going to put the numerical information, that dependent variable information. So 37.7, sorry, don't mind my baby. I'm doing this at home, 37.7. We have 39.7, and we have 45.7. Okay, so basically we typed in all of the important information. So then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the color of the car, and I'm going to click and I'm going to hold down, and I'm going to highlight all of that information there. Okay, once I highlight, I'm then going to go to insert, and I'm going to go to chart. So now it created a chart. However, our screen, it tells us create a bar graph. So we need to go to the chart type right here. So we're going to go to bar graph. Okay, so now let's think about the rules for making a good graph. We have titles on the axis right here. We also have what we're measuring in, which is very important. Okay, we have the headings down here, the different types of the car color, which is good. But our title is not that great. So why don't we change our title by clicking on it? And remember, we have to type in a title, okay, that's it's going to be the same as our data table's title. So our title over here, it says the effect of a car's color on the car's inside temperature. So the effect of a car's color on the car's inside temperature. Okay, and then what we're going to do, and it changed for me. So basically our graph is good. I clicked out of it, and that's how it got rid of that screen. So now I'm going to click this, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to press Control and C for copying. And then I'm going to click inside here, and I'm going to click Control B, and we're going to link it to the spreadsheet. So if we were to change it anyway, it would change. And I'm going to paste. Maybe. There we go, and I pasted it. Took it my computer just a minute. And where'd it go? Oops, I accidentally clicked out. Here's my graph. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to minimize it so it fits in this little box here. And there you go, guys. So that's basically how you make a graph in Google Sheets. Hopefully this helped.